Hey girl, hey, welcome back to the channel and welcome if you're new. So today is going to be a vacation prep vlog, so come along with me on this quick journey. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is, I know I'm probably kind of cut off, so don't worry, I'll move the camera in a minute. Today is going to be my vacation prep. Get ready with me for a vacation. Okay, so y'all know all the girlies, honey. Hush. All the girlies become a whole new woman before they go on vacation. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to become a whole new woman. I was like, you know what, girl, you be basic and boring all the time. Okay, so let's get cute. Why the frick not? So today I have a nail appointment, and then the nail appointment that I have is with this girl that I found on Instagram. Y'all, her work, I'm gonna put like a screenshot of her work here. It's like really bomb, and it's like really creative stuff that I am 100% afraid of. But she also had this option where you could like send her a picture or something that you want, and she'll design that too. So that's what I did. Look, I made that. Well, I don't know where that little salon part come from. I ain't put that on there. But look at that. How cool is that? To see some of your work. That's so cool.
So presently I'm standing here right now, you're so demanding. Tell me what you want from me. Concluding, concentrating on my abusing lover and her babies. Made me wanna ask you later for a ticket out of town. So can I get a window seat? Hey. Don't want nobody next to me. I just want a ticket out of town to look around, and I say touch down. Oh, next to me. I just want a chance to fly, a chance to cry, and a long goodbye. Oh, oh, oh.
Love them. So pretty. And you guys, this is the logo that I did. So pretty. Our entire shop is really pretty. Cool. That's good. It only took her an hour and 20 minutes, y'all. Anywho, I'm walking to the car and I'm looking at like this is like a plaza like with business suites. And I'm looking, and guess what? I did this logo too. Got one right there. You don't see it? I did that logo too. That's so cool. Let me find it. I need to start back doing logos. Yo, I really like my nails. I done found me a nail tech, and she was very affordable. So I will be leaving like all my price tags of everything that I pay for, because I figured since it's like a vacation prep, it's okay to like say how much you pay for stuff. So my nails, I think I paid a $15 deposit to book the service. I paid $60 when I got there, and I also tipped her $20 because I was just so like head over heels, because y'all don't understand, like when you want to get your nails done a certain way and you want them to look like the picture that you sent somebody, and it doesn't look like that, it's so disappointing. And the fact that I was able to find her, she's a local, she was really sweet. It just makes me really excited about having a nail tech. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find this place that my sister sent me to go get my massage for my neck and my shoulders. Hopefully they're not busy right now and I can get in, because I think they do take walk-ins. So that's what I'm about to do. Y'all, I've made it to the place. Here it is. It's called Pearl Massage. Let me go in here and see what they are talking about. This is my massage room. As y'all can see, my wig is jacked up. So that ought to let you know how my massage went. They did really good. I'm so surprised. Well, I'm not surprised because their Y'all know what them folks is. I don't know. Listen, don't talk about me, y'all. But I don't know the difference between like Asian and, I think all of them are Asian, right? And then you have different. I'm not gonna get into that because I don't want to offend nobody. Because that's not. I'm not trying to offend. I'm just saying they be knowing what they be doing. Okay. So I feel really, really good. I feel like I want to go back one more time before the trip, or either when I come back, because they did really, really good. That massage was only $70 for an hour. I told them to mainly focus on my neck and my shoulders, but she was infatuated with my booty because she kept going back to my booty. I'm looking like, all right, ma'am, come up. But she did a really, really good job though. I feel like she targeted a lot of muscles in my body that just needed some extra love and care. Okay, so I feel good. What I'm about to do now is I'm probably gonna head over here to Zaxby's and give me something to eat, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head to the house. We'll do toes tomorrow after I get my hair done. Good morning. Y'all see my head? I look crazy. I'm so mad at myself for not getting my behind up when I was supposed to. I rolled back over. I could have gotten up in time to go get me some Starbucks before this doggone hair appointment. So that's where I'm headed. I'm headed to my hair appointment. It says I'll get there in 22 minutes, which is 1 minute before my appointment. So I'm holding the camera, by the way, y'all, because they act like you want to move. So that's what we're doing right now. We're trying to Speedy Gonzalez our way over to my hair appointment. Y'all, look what I just noticed in my head. Y'all see them 2 gray hairs? What is this? Who am I becoming? Why am I so stressed? Oh my God. That's crazy. It's like 2 little strands. That's crazy. Yeah, this is my crazy looking hair. It's only been like a year and some change since I cut it all off. No, it's only almost 2 years now. And just cut it back. Here's all my hair. I got the 1B27 and the 27. And I got the little curly pieces too. So she's gonna do like the Bohemian style lungs. We're gonna be cute. Isn't that funny? I made that logo too. I've been seeing all my logos all day, well, all week. How cute. Where yours at? You need to be family too.
Listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm a braider, not a damn content creator.
You need to create some content.
I'm tired, bro. I don't want to do that. Like, I really want to be
just a braider.
Like, I want to be back in the day braider. Like,
yeah.
You just know I do good. Like, I hate it. Like, bro. TikTok got 14.6K followers, and I haven't posted shit since last year.
Really? Girl, you better utilize that. That's gonna help you get from behind the chair.
I don't know.
For real, for real.
I put my waist trainer on so my little breast can sit
I'm not starting with you today. I'm not for being crying with you.
Listen.
Oh, God.
Listen, you gotta make sure that they're right. Take that on.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah, I be seeing me and my little vulnerable mamas. I already barely be getting up.
I'm so weak, man.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high.
Guys, look at my hair. It's finished now. Oh, shit. I'm cute now. I'm a bad bitch. Yes.
You need a sound effect.
All right, y'all, I am leaving now. I've got my hair finished. Oh my God, your girl has braids. I feel so... anytime I get braids in my hair, I feel like a kid again, y'all. Does anybody else feel that way? Because like when we were kids, all we would get were like braided hairstyles and stuff. So yeah, they're super cute though. It makes my face look humongous. How annoying is that? But I really, really like them. They're so cute. My husband, I know he's gonna talk about when I get home. He's gonna talk about me having a round head, as he always does. But yeah, they're super cute. They don't hurt or anything. And when she was doing like the zigzag part, those hurt a little bit because she had to braid them down. But like the individuals in the back, y'all, they're not tight at all. I can lift them up and everything. She always does such a great job, and she does my hair. That's why I trust her. And y'all, when I tell you my friend be having me in that chair, dying laughing at her, she is so freaking funny. I tell her that she needs to do stand-up. Like, the girl is hilarious, y'all. There's no way you're gonna get in her chair and not completely just die of laughter because she's hilarious. So I'm about to head and get me something to eat and then get my toes done, and that's all I need to do for the day. Hair was $280. Yeah, my hair was $280. And then now I'm about to, like I said, head and get me some food. And then toes should be no more than 50 bucks. All right, y'all, I made it to the nail salon. I'm just about to go in here and get my toes done. Y'all see me get nails done yesterday, so I'm pretty sure that you probably don't want to get my toes done too. But I would definitely, excuse me, but I'll definitely give you the price tag once I come out of here. So that's where I'm about to go real quick, get my toes done. Babe said he likes my hair. He didn't talk about my round head. So I'll see y'all in a minute.
Yes.
Good afternoon, y'all. I just left the bank and one of the girls there was like, oh my God, who braided your hair? It looks like it hurts. I was like, actually does not hurt at all right now. But you guys, I just left the bank I just left one bank to withdraw some money. Now I'm going to another bank to deposit some money. And then we are going to, there's like some little knick-knack paperweights, give a dog a bone I need to go get before the trip, and also for Mother's Day because we're gonna be gone on Mother's Day. And I want to make sure that I get my mama her stuff now, okay? And then 2, I have to get my lashes done at 2 p.m. and that's what we're gonna be doing. So that's next on our get ready, you know, thingamajiggy for the trip. And then we're gonna be all done, you guys. I feel like I've spent so much money. Oh my God. I feel like you spend more money preparing for your trip than you actually do on the trip. I feel like that's how much I spent so far. So that's crazy. But it's okay. It's cool. We are good. Everything is flowing. Everything's working out really nicely. I've been satisfied with all my services so far. Definitely recommend everybody that I've been to up until this point. And then I've been to this Lash girl. I worked with her plenty of times. I've done several logos. I've done several graphic design work for her, and I'm very familiar with who she is. She's done my lashes one time before, and like I told y'all, I just don't like the feeling of having lashes on my eyes at all times. So that's why I don't typically go get my lashes done a lot. But I really liked what she did originally. She's been doing this for a very long time, so I trust her abilities to make my lashes look good. Okay, so I am headed to do all these little things really quickly, and then I'm gonna do that. So yeah, this is not like a regular vlog, so I can't tell you guys about other things that happen in my day that I really want to say, but I'll catch y'all on another regular vlog, you know. But right now I need to get the freak over before I won't be able to. Oh shoot. Alright, you guys, I made it to my lash appointment, and look, I made that logo too. Look here, I'm just out here in these streets supporting all my girls that supported me. Okay, that's what I'm doing. That is one out, here's one today. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead in. I'm gonna ask if I can record because I'm gonna ask if I can record because I don't quite know just yet. And then yeah.
So much dope that it pills, nigga, my crack sale. My brother in the kitchen and he rapping the bell. Louis V my bag and Louis V on my belt.
Alright, y'all. So the lashes are done. Y'all, they are burning like crazy. It's been so long since I got my lashes done. But look. They look so good. She does such a good job. But I got some tape right here too. But my eyes are just like, girl. Ooh, look at that. Look at how fluffy that is. Come on, Fluff. Come on, Fluff. See, I don't see how the girls sit there for the full glam, like super fluffy lashes, because I'm about to die. Yeah, I hate how this eye. It looks like, it probably look like they're a little off because this eye is smaller than this eye. But if I smile, you can't really tell, right? But I think she did like 15s, and then I know 15 is probably the longest length because I wanted to make sure that I could put them in my glasses and they fit perfectly, no problems. So yeah, that concludes my stuff, y'all. If you want to see me in action with my face on and everything, you guys should definitely check out the vlog because I'll be vlogging now. We leave for the trip tomorrow, so it'll start tomorrow. I also should have a pack with me uploading either right after this or right before this. And y'all, let me go do some Mother's Day shopping real quick since I won't be here for Mother's Day. So girl, my meaty little face. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Oh, also the price tag on the lashes, I believe they were $95. These are a hybrid set, so it's like a classic plus like a, I guess, a little of wispies or whatever. So yeah, they were at $95. So yep, that's it, you guys. Thank you again so much for tuning into the vlog today. Our get ready with me pamper situation for vacation. Definitely give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know how much y'all be paying for all your services. Like, tell me so that way I know, like, am I paying the right prices, things like that. I definitely want to hear that in the comment section below. I will leave all the young ladies that I went to if you guys are interested in booking with them as well, if you're in the Montgomery, Alabama area. And of course, if you like this video, binge watch the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel. Also, follow me over at Amber Sharniece on Instagram. All right. See y'all soon.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really